Alright, here's something that no one saw coming. Affinity, yes, did Affinity, is now completely free. No trials, no hidden limits, no sneaky subscriptions, just free. And that sounds almost too good to be true, right? Because for years, professional creative tools came with a price tag that felt more like rent than software. Programs like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign trained everyone to think good design software must always cost a fortune. So, when Affinity suddenly became free, people started asking, how is that even possible? That's exactly what this video explains. What's really going on, why it's free, and how you can download and install it today. Let's start with the story. Affinity has always been known as the underdog alternative to Adobe. It gave designers, photographers, and illustrators a way to create professional work without paying monthly fees. When Canva acquired Affinity, a lot of people expected the worst, maybe new paywalls, maybe a watered-down version. But the opposite happened. Affinity didn't lose its power. It became more open. According to the Affinity team, there's no hidden catch here. They don't sell your data. They don't train AI on your files. They don't hide premium tools behind upgrade buttons. Your work stays yours, always. So why make it free? Because Canva can afford it. And more importantly, because it fits their mission. Canva already runs on a strong, sustainable business model. Millions of people pay for Canva Pro, and that income supports everything they do. That means they can now support Affinity too without turning it into another subscription trap. And there's something deeper behind that choice. The idea is to make creative software more generous, to move away from gatekeeping and instead put powerful tools into more hands, in more places. This isn't a marketing trick, it's a long-term bet on creative freedom. Affinity and Canva share one big goal to help the world design better. And by making Affinity free, they're opening that door wider than ever before. Now, let's get to the part you probably care about most. How to actually download and install it. It's simple. Open your browser and go to affinity.studio. That's the official site. Don't use any third-party download links. Once you're there, click the button that says Get Affinity. You'll be asked to sign in or create an account. You can use your Gmail or your Canva account, whichever is easier. After signing in, you'll land on a download page. Now, choose your platform, Mac or Windows. If you're on Windows, select Windows x64 and click Download. Your browser will start downloading the setup file right away. When it's done, open the file. It ends with .exe. And if Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The installer will appear. You can keep the default folder, then click Install. The setup will prepare everything and start copying files. Once it's finished, click Close. Now look on your desktop. You'll see a new Affinity icon waiting there. Double-click it to open. You'll be greeted by a sign-in screen. Just log in again with your Canva account. Click Continue, and that's it. Affinity will open fast, clean, and ready to go. You might see a short welcome video. You can skip it or watch it if you want. Then click Start Creating, and you're in. At this point, your full version of Affinity is installed, forever free. You can start designing right away. Affinity Photo is your go-to for image editing and retouching. Affinity Designer is for vector artwork, icons, and logos. And Affinity Publisher is for layout design, things like magazines, books, and brochures. Every one of these apps is now free, and all are professional grade. And the best part, nothing's been watered down. This is still the same Affinity that professionals have trusted for years. Now, some people ask, what's the benefit for Canva? It's actually a smart ecosystem move. When designers use Affinity for serious work, many of their teams still use Canva for marketing, presentations, and social content. So, when professionals start creating with Affinity, Canva naturally becomes part of their workflow. That helps Canva grow, and it keeps Affinity sustainable. Everyone wins. It's a balance between professional tools and mass collaboration, and it works beautifully. So, if you've been curious about Affinity, this is the moment to try it. It costs nothing, it installs in minutes, and it gives you professional power that most people once paid hundreds of dollars for. Even if you're already using Adobe tools, it's worth having Affinity on your system. It's lightweight, it's fast, and it works offline. And if you're new to design, it's the perfect playground to learn without worrying about payments or trials expiring. This shift means something bigger than just free software. It's about creativity finally being treated as something everyone deserves access to, not something locked behind a monthly bill. So, go to affinity.studio, download it, and explore it yourself. Because right now, creative freedom doesn't cost a thing, and that's a rare moment worth taking.